How to spot the hidden damper in the LG VinQ dual inventor air conditioner. So, let me turn my flash on. No, I can't. There, so, as you can see, it's on right now. But it's like, this moves back and forth because focus. See that right there? Moves like that. But if you get one of these, see this, like that has one of these. But if you don't have this, that's like this, then you don't have one. But mine was hidden, so I had to like try it out. If I didn't want to like take this off for it. But I just use something like this. Look like this. It's weird though. And like I was like grabbing it like that and then try pulling it back over here. I mean it was really dirty because this thing is dirty, as you can see here. It's dirty. Focus that. You can see how dirty it is. But I wiped it. And it's how dirty it was, but it's on fan mode right now. But if you want fresh air to come in, then like, wait, let me focus. Why isn't it focusing? There we go. If I pull this out and then open that, close, open that, close, open that, and when it's open like that, then it lets fresh air to come in. But if you want the room cool, no fresh air to come in, and just close it and then put it on cool, on fan. Then you just pull that to let cool air in. For like, if you go to sleep and you don't want to waste energy on putting it on cool, just pull this out, put it on fan, put on whatever fan speed you like. But I mean, it's good. Dual inventor saves more money on electricity, which is better than a single inventor or non-inventor.